If you're looking to make money freelancing in 2025, you're stepping into one of the most flexible, rewarding, and rapidly growing ways to work. The beauty of freelancing is that you don't need a degree, office, or big investment. Just real skills, smart strategies, and the drive to show up consistently. In today's digital-first world, businesses of all sizes, from startups to global brands, are constantly outsourcing work to talented freelancers across fields like graphic design, content writing, video editing, digital marketing, web development, UI/UX design, voiceover, consulting, and even virtual assistants. The first step is to identify your strongest skill, or the one you're most eager to learn. If you're starting from scratch, focus on high-demand, high-income skills like copywriting, social media management, SEO, coding, email marketing, or data analysis. There are free and affordable learning platforms like YouTube, SkillCareer.in, Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning, where you can pick up beginner to advanced knowledge. Once you're confident in your skill, build a strong portfolio, even if it's based on practice projects. This proves your ability and gives clients confidence in your work. In 2025, clients are not just hiring skills, they're hiring solutions. So instead of listing, "I know Photoshop," show a before and after design you did. Instead of saying, "I do SEO," show a keyword plan or traffic result. Then set up your freelancer profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal, People Per Hour, and newer niche sites like Contra, Workello, or Flexible. Don't just write a generic bio, speak directly to the client's problem. Example: I help small businesses grow their Instagram with consistent, eye-catching content and proven growth tactics. Use a professional profile photo, write a clear description, showcase testimonials or mock case studies, and price yourself strategically. When you're new, go slightly lower than the market to get momentum, but never work for free. Build relationships and over-deliver early on to get 5-star reviews. As you grow, raise your rates and focus on recurring clients or retainer projects. In parallel, learn to market yourself outside of platforms. Use LinkedIn to showcase work, post client testimonials, or write about your industry insights. Share content on Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube to build personal brand visibility. Build a one-page website or Notion portfolio that links your services, work samples, and contact info. Start a blog or email list to capture leads. Clients don't always find freelancers. They often find content, then hire the creator. Cold emailing still works in 2025, if done right. Don't send spam. Instead, research companies or business owners find a real need and pitch a helpful solution. Example: if you notice a brand has poor mobile UX, email the founder with a short note, "Hey, I noticed your site struggles on mobile. Here's a 2-minute Loom video showing how to fix it. I'm a freelance UX designer who helps brands solve exactly this." This level of personalization stands out. Also, join freelance communities and Slack groups related to your skill. Opportunities often come through connections, not just applications. Learn to manage time, finances, and scope creep. Set clear contracts, deadlines, and deliverables. Use tools like Trello, Notion, Clockify, and Google Calendar to organize your work. For payments, set up Stripe, PayPal, Wise, or Razorpay to invoice globally. As you gain momentum, consider niching down. The riches are in the niches. For example, instead of just being a copywriter, be a sales page copywriter for online coaches. Or instead of video editor, be a short-form content editor for YouTube creators. This makes it easier to stand out and become the go-to expert. In 2025, AI tools will continue changing freelancing, but don't fear them. Leverage tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming, Jasper for writing, Notion AI for productivity, Runway ML for video, and Midjourney for design inspiration. Use AI to speed up your workflow, not replace your creativity. The highest paid freelancers combine efficiency with originality. As you scale, create productized services or digital products. Turn your process into a service package. For example, Instagram management for coaches. 12 posts, captions, analytics, $300 month. This makes your offer easier to buy and easier to repeat. You can also earn passive income by creating ebooks, templates, courses, or tools for other freelancers. Over time, you can evolve from freelancer to agency, consultant, or even founder of your own platform. Track your income, client wins, and challenges. Revisit what works every quarter. Burnout is real in freelancing, so pace yourself. Take time off when needed, and don't say yes to every gig. Say yes to the right ones. Set financial goals. For instance, aim to go from $500 a month to $2,000 a month in 6 months, then scale up. The more you treat freelancing like a business, not a side hustle, the more it will reward you like one. Lastly, don't compare your day 1 to someone else's year 3. Everyone starts somewhere. The freelance journey in 2025 is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, learning fast, and always delivering value. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep learning. If you keep showing up, solving real problems, and putting your work out into the world, making money freelancing won't just be possible, it'll become your career, your brand, and your freedom.